Dear students, welcome to the class. In last class, we discussing about the structure of heart and its functions. In the we study, heart is the pumping organ of body. We know heart carries the oxygenated blood from all part of the body and pumps pure blood to all part of the body. How blood reaches to the all part of the body? Blood flows continuously through blood vessels all over the body. Blood vessels can be seen if you closely observe your hands, feet, etc. All blood vessels are not alike. Veins, artery, capillaries are the different type of blood vessels. Yes, our today's topic is blood vessels. Have you understood that along with the heart, the blood vessels also have a role in circulating blood to different parts of the body? Large arteries arising from the heart split into small arteries and these in turn split into capillaries. Further, these capillaries united to form small veins and these small veins united to form large veins and finally reach the heart. Look here. This region shows the heart. Large arteries arising from the heart. This is the large artery. This large artery arising from the heart, it is split into small arteries. These small arteries again split into minute tube-like structures that is called capillaries. This region is the capillaries. Minute tube-like structures are called capillaries. First, main arteries or large arteries arising from the heart split into small arteries. Again, these small arteries divided into minute capillaries. Further, these capillaries united to form small veins. These capillaries unite together form small veins. This is another small vein. This is another small vein. These small veins united to form large vein. Small veins united to form large veins and finally reach the heart. In this way, during the time of pumping of heart, blood reaches to all part of the body, blood reaches to each cell in our body and it receives deoxygenated from the cells and it veins carry this deoxygenated blood to the heart. Okay, now we study about blood vessels. All blood vessels are not alike. Vein, artery and capillaries are the different type of blood vessels. First we are discussing about vein. Veins carries blood to the heart. Veins carries blood to the heart. Thin valves are seen inside. Blood flows with low speed and low pressure. These are the main features of vein. This diagram shows the structure of vein. Its outer layer is elastic nature, elastic outer covering. This shows the muscular layers. This region shows the muscular layers. Then inside the vein we can see valve. This valve controls the flow of blood. The main features, It carries blood to the heart. Veins carry blood to the heart. Its walls are very thin wall. Valves are seen inside. This region shows the valves. Valves are seen inside. Blood flows with low speed and low pressure. These are the main features of vein. Next we say about artery. It also have muscular layers. Its outer covering is elastic nature. Its features, it carries blood from the heart. Arteries carry blood from the heart. Thick and elastic walls. No wall. Blood flows with high speed and high pressure. These are the main features of arteries. Arteries carry blood from the heart. Its walls are thick and elastic nature. No wall. Blood flows with high speed and high pressure. Then we say about capillaries. Its walls are very thin. These are thin vessels. We know capillaries are the connecting parts of arteries and veins. It's the minute tube-like structures. These are the thin vessels. It connects veins and arteries together. Walls is formed of a single layer of cells. Minute pores on the walls. Its walls contain number of small pores. Minute pores are present. Valves are absent. Blood flows with low speed and low pressure. Blood flows with low speed and a low pressure. These are the main features of capillaries. Then we have one activity to complete in our textbook. One table is given in there. Page number 35. Indicators, arteries, veins and capillaries. Based on these features, we want to tabulate this box. Peculiarities of the wall. What is the peculiarities of wall of arteries? Thick wall, vein, thin wall, capillaries, single layer of cells, formed of single layer of cells. Next indicator is the wall. In artery, no valves. Vein, valves are present. Capillaries, no valves. Peculiarity of blood flow. In arteries, blood flow with high speed and high pressure. In veins, blood flow with low speed and low pressure. In capillaries, blood flow with low speed and low pressure. Direction of blood flow. In arteries, carries blood from the heart. Veins carries blood to the heart. Capillaries from arteries to the vein. All of you complete this box and it a copy in your notebook.